Morning, everybody. Merry Christmas to you all. I hope Santa brought you everything that you wanted for Christmas. This morning, every Christmas is a tradition of mine now that I make French toast casserole for my family. So usually I use challah bread, but this time I use this brioche from Walmart, and it has like this vanilla swirl in it, and it's so good. I bought 2 loaves and then just chopped them up into bite-sized pieces. And then I mixed together a teaspoon of vanilla, 5 eggs, put that together. And what you're gonna wanna do is on the bottom of the pan, before you mix it all, you're gonna wanna put 1 cup of brown sugar and a 1/2 cup of butter or margarine. You're gonna coat the bottom of it. Then you're gonna put a layer of your brioche or your challah bread. You're gonna put your egg mixture. Then you're gonna put another layer of the brioche and the challah bread. You're gonna put more egg mixture, and then you're gonna leave it overnight for, it's better 24 hours, but you know, if you do it late at night, just leave it for a few hours to sit. And then you're gonna pop it in the oven for 375 the next day. You have to cover it first, but put it in the oven for 375 covered for 20 minutes, and then uncover it for the last 10, and it is so yummy. And then you can also, oh, and I forgot, you have to put cinnamon, because what is French toast without cinnamon? So you have to put cinnamon in your egg mixture as well. And then you can add like nutmeg and other stuff if you'd like. But we go ahead and we just topped it with sugar, powdered sugar, and then my niece likes berries, so I have berries, and then I have pecans, and of course maple syrup. But anyways, this is one of my Christmas traditions for Christmas morning. I hope you guys have a great Christmas and holiday season with your families, and I will see you on the next video.